Hello, I'm here back in the Cancer Treatment Center of America in Atlanta. I'm here for my follow-up appointment 2 weeks after finishing up radiation. So it's April the 22nd today. I'll be here today and tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll leave back out going home, but just kind of wanted to give an update of how I'm doing. Everything is going well as scheduled. I'm feeling great, have lots of energy. The only thing is my skin is peeling, but the doctor says that's normal. I'm getting my new skin in from, I guess, the skin that got damaged during radiation treatment. And basically, I guess it got really dark. So that dark skin is kind of peeling away. I didn't really get a lot of burns. I did get one open area that got a little red. Basically under my arm, but that's healing back up. It just looks kind of weird now because it's all peeling. Kind of freaked out at first, but did call, check on it, totally fine, totally okay. I'm still moisturizing every day and doing everything I'm supposed to do. I've even started doing collagen, because collagen is supposed to help your skin and your hair, of course, grow back. I need help with my hair growing back and my skin healing the way it's supposed to. So I added that to my regimen. I am going to be writing a book, so I will have all of the details about what to do to get through all of your treatment with cancer, and it includes chemotherapy, surgery, radiation, and some of my supplements that I take. I'm going to include that in my book as well, and how each of them can benefit you. I am so looking forward to my life returning back to normal. And I'm so glad that I have at least 6 months before I have another surgery. My last surgery is going to be my reconstruction surgery. And so I'm very excited to begin my reconstruction surgery because, I kind of have my little temporary boobies now. And, I don't feel like I lost my boobies. I kind of feel like I still have boobies, even though I'm getting a double mastectomy, takes away your boobies. But getting these expanders in really just makes you feel like you didn't lose anything. So I'm doing really good as far as self-esteem, how I'm feeling about the situation. I went through all of that treatment very well and dealt with that fine. So basically having a great team in place, like traditional and non-traditional doctors, I think that really made the difference. I think that the integrated care really goes hand in hand. So I am supporting integrated care. I'm going to tell more details about that in my upcoming book. I'm gonna have to wait 6 months to finish it because I want to include my final surgery and me getting through that and that whole process in the book as well. So I will keep you guys updated. Look forward to hear what you think about my book. If you have any questions about my journey or anything you want me to address, just let me know. And have a great, wonderful day.